Hey, and welcome everyone. Today, we begin a new grow season. And in this season, I want to achieve all of the goals that I've set last year. So let's get into the garden.
Ooh, look at that. The peach tree is coming back, getting us some new. All right, can you focus, bro? Can you focus on the thing that is right in front of you? There we go. Yeah, a lot of sprouts. That's good. Good sign, good sign. Gotta feed it soon, and kaboom. All right, let's get started.
By roughing up the uppermost layer of soil, we are able to use our own compost, reamending and feeding our soil. And by feeding your soil, you will unlock so much more than just a high quantity harvest. So let's go ahead and take a look at our AI visualized garden. First up is the berry section, and of course, the watermelons as well. Next up, we have the strawberry patch. Then we have the potato section. Next up, we got the grapes against the wall. And the tomatoes growing on the sunny side. Followed by some of our paprika, onions, garlic, and some chilies. And last but not least, of course, our root crops and some salads. So let's get down to business, because I don't got no time to play around. What is this? Now for real, let's go.
Let's get some stuff in. Now we're gonna put some of the fruits in that we've created. Okay.
And if you watch this far, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that bell notification to never miss an episode. I'm not gonna lie, this was actually quite heavy. I do work out a lot, but this was heavy. But it smelled like it was a good batch of compost.
God damn. That is a tower. Compost tower. Not even finished composting yet. There. But that's not the issue.
Now let's get this mixed together with some of the soil so that it will break down the rest of the organic materials.
Okay. Root crop bed. Raked over once, pretty good. Still has a lot of nutrients from last time we poured our compost in there. The peach that is going to go over to the other two peaches over there. This is going to be pepper on the left, garlic, onion, and chili on the right. We might swap those or might mix and match. I'm not sure yet, but I kind of want to give them a little bit of a gap in between so they don't cross-pollinate too much. But yeah, tomato bed right over there. Strawberry patch, like an L shape. This little patch right there, all the way to here and to the back. Grapes, and in front of the grapes will be the potatoes, and half of it will be potato tomato. We'll do a little experiment, and last but not least, the berries. Everything berries gets planted here. Blueberries and stuff, all over here. Watermelon partially as well, and partially watermelon over there. We're gonna see which side we can get some watermelons in Germany, or grown in Germany. I do want to get it done this year, and I really want them. We already have the seedlings sprouted right there. Yeah, that's that. Trellis is going to be built by this, or from this rather yet. And this will be thrown away. That's that for today. Only thing left to do is to replant some of the seedlings in here, give them some more time to develop, get stronger, and once they're strong enough, they'll go from here to their beds. Boom. Seedlings.
So those are all the indoor seeds that we've started, meaning the cucumber seeds, we have some carrot seeds in there, we have watermelon seeds in there, and we have onion seeds in there. Now I want to start all of them in here, and then slowly as they grow bigger and bigger, I want to separate them out, and as the climate outside gets warmer and warmer, we will for sure get them outside as quick as possible. But for now, they are staying indoors to just get a little bit more warmth and get that early season start grow. But for now, that's it. And I appreciate each and every one that's been watching my videos so far, and there is way more to come this growing season. So, if I can grow, what's stopping you?